People of the State of Michigan versus Brandon Wabanimkee, 2123800. Mr. Wabanimkee is appearing by video today. Ms. Halleck is his attorney, and Mr. Gabriel is the prosecutor, and it's set for a plea today. So, Mr. Wabanimkee, if you'd raise your right hand, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. Mr. Gabriel, what is the offer?
Your Honor, if Mr. Wabanimkee entered the plea of guilty to the file count 1, possession of methamphetamine, we will dismiss the habitual supplementation.
Is that correct, Ms. Halleck?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wabanimkee, is that what you understand?
Yes, it is, sir.
All right. So, and you understand that possession of methamphetamine is a felony, punishable by up to 10 years in the Department of Corrections and or a fine of up to $15,000. And unless sentenced to more than 1 year in prison, the court shall impose license sanctions, at least through October 1st. The drug double would be dismissed. The habitual offender fourth offense notice would be dismissed. You understand all that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And you're currently on parole, is that correct?
Correct.
So you understand that this case is mandatorily consecutive to your parole case.
Correct.
So how do you plead to the charge of possession of methamphetamine?
Guilty as charged.
Has anyone promised you anything else to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you to make you do so?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
You understand that if I accept your plea, you'll not have a trial of any kind. You'll be giving up the rights that you would have had at trial.
Yes, sir, I do.
You understand that those rights that you would have had at trial is the right to be tried by a jury, to be presumed innocent, to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, to have the witnesses against you appear at trial, and to question those witnesses that appear against you. You'd have the right to order any witnesses you want for the defense to appear at trial. You have the right to remain silent during the trial and to not have that silence used against you, or you have the right to testify at trial if you want to testify. You understand all those rights?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal certain issues that would otherwise be appealable if convicted at trial?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you also understand that any appeal for your conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by automatic right as if you went to trial?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, thank you. It says that on or about April 3rd of 2021, you were in the city of Three Rivers, the county of St. Joseph, and the state of Michigan. Is that true?
Yes, sir, it is.
And that at that time you did knowingly or intentionally possess methamphetamine. Where was it?
It was in a hoodie pocket that I was wearing on that evening, sir.
Okay, and did you know it to be methamphetamine?
Yes, sir, I did.
Are counsel satisfied that a factual basis has been established by the defendant's statement of facts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Are you, the counsel, aware of any other promises, threats, or inducements?
I am not.
No.
Has the court complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
I find the plea made as accurate, understanding, and voluntary. There's a factual basis, therefore I accept the plea. Set this for sentencing on July 9th. As I said, Mr. Wabanimkee, we're going to send you that packet to the center there, get it filled out, get it returned. They'll do an interview of you, and then they'll update your pre-sentence report, and we'll be ready for sentencing on July 9th, okay?